How to remove the radio, navigation, and the touch screen from a Honda CRV 2015, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this Phillips screwdriver and this blue dashboard removal tool. The first step, you need to pop up this air conditioning vent, which is complete with the whole bezel around the radio. You insert your tools right underneath the AC vent. And by the way, we already made everything loose. This is for the demo only. These are the location of the clips. So when you insert your tools, you just put it in these locations, so it would be easier to pop it off. And you do the same thing on the driver side. And these are the clips. And once you get these two AC vents out, then you will be able to see the mounting screws for the radio navigation. It's two Phillips screws, one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. And once you get these two screws out, then you can pull the whole radio forward. Once you put the radio forward, the first thing you do is disconnect the hazard switch connector in the back, because otherwise it's too short, it won't come out all the way. And once you get the hazard switch connector, then you will be able to disconnect all the connectors in the back of the radio. And if you need any repair for the touch screen, radio, or the navigation, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.